Today's video we're going to look at taking a regular door and having the ability to add a line to it, a graphic line that shows it as an existing door as opposed to the swing or the sweep for a new construction door. So we're going to select our door, we're going to edit the family. Alright, we'll notice here on our existing door family it has a plan swing projection type door line, and we're going to go ahead and add another symbolic line, and we're going to use that same line type. Now when we do this, we're going to lock it, we're going to bring our cursor, we're going to snap it down to here, and then we're going to go ahead and bring it to the top of our door. We're going to cycle through until we get to this line, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to lock it to that line. The reason we're going to lock it to that line is that as the door increases or decreases, the line will actually go with it. So we'll go ahead and we'll load this into our project, and we'll see that we now have a line here. Well, we need to go ahead and have the ability to select that line, and whether we want it to be visible or not. So we're going to select the line, we're going to go to our properties bar, and we're going to click on this box here. Now we've already created a parameter for existing. Okay, we're going to simply click on that, and what that does is it allows us to say that this line, when we load it into our project, this line is only visible when that box is checked. So if I uncheck it, that line goes away. If I check it, the line appears. Now that's fine, but now we want to go ahead and create another parameter so that the swing, the new construction line or the new door line, is not there when we have the existing selected. So let's go back into our door, and we're going to go ahead and click on this line, and we're going to go back over to our visibility settings, and we're going to create another parameter, and we'll just simply call this one new. We're going to make it an instance property, alright, so that we have the ability to change it per door, and we'll go ahead and say OK. Now we're going to load this one into the project. So now we have the ability, when I select this door, I can uncheck the new box and that line goes away. I can check the new box and uncheck the existing box and the swing line is there. Well, let's make it even easier for the user. We'll go ahead and we'll edit this, and let's add a formula to this so that when we select new, the existing automatically goes away, or when we select existing, the new line automatically goes away. So in order to create this, we're going to go into our family types, and we'll notice here on our family types we have those two parameters we created. Okay, so we're going to come over here to our existing line, and we're going to create a formula, and it's going to be simply called not new. What this is going to do then is when the new box is unchecked, it automatically defaults it to an existing door. So when we do this, we're going to go ahead and say OK. We're going to load this one into the project, and we're going to update the parameters in the view. And you'll notice now, as soon as we select that door, we either have the option to check new or uncheck new. When we check new, it's a new door type. When we uncheck new, by default, the existing door type or the door swing pops in, and we're ready to go. We can change our doors to a different size, and you'll see that the lines are following through with it, which is why the important part of locking those lines to certain parts of that door. And that's how you can add a door that you create a door style that has an existing and a new construction line.